Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Vedika. So let's solve question of differentiation asked in CBSE examination. Okay. So the question number 1, we have x is equal to a into 1 plus t square divided by 1 minus t square, and y is equal to 2t divided by 1 minus t square. Then we have to find differentiation of y with respect to x. Okay, so let's solve question number 1. Solution of question 1. So here x is equal to a into 1 plus t square by 1 minus t square. Let's take t is equal to tan theta. Okay, so x is equal to a into 1 plus tan square theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta, which is equal to a into 1 plus sine square theta by cos square theta divided by 1 minus sine square theta by cos square theta. This is equal to a into cos square theta plus sine square theta divided by cos square theta by cos square theta minus sine square theta by cos square theta. Okay, so cos square theta will be cancelled out. A into cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1 divided by cos square theta minus sine square theta, which is equal to a by cos 2 theta, which is equal to a, and 1 by cos 2 theta is equal to sec 2 theta. Okay, and here y is equal to 2t by 1 minus t square. So y is equal to 2t by 1 minus t square. So two, and t is equal to tan theta, 1 minus tan square theta, which is equal to tan 2 theta. Okay, now we have to find dy by dx. Okay, so here as we can see that x and y both are function of theta, so dy by dx will be equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Okay, so here dy by d theta will be equal to differentiation of tan 2 theta with respect to theta will have 2 sec square 2 theta. Okay, and differentiation of x with respect to theta, differentiation of x is a sec 2 theta, differentiation of a sec 2 theta with respect to theta, which is equal to a 2a sec 2 theta into tan 2 theta. Okay, so dy by dx, let's put the value of dy by d theta and dx by d theta. So dy by d theta is 2 sec square 2 theta divided by 2a sec 2 theta into tan 2 theta. Okay, now sec theta will be cancelled out and we'll have 2 will be cancelled out. We'll have 1 by a sec 2 theta by tan 2 theta. Okay, which is equal to 1 by a sec 2 theta will be written as 1 by cos 2 theta and tan theta will be written as sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta. Okay, let's cancel out cos 2 theta. Now we'll have 1 by a by sin 2 theta. Okay, which is equal to 1 by 2a sin theta into cos theta, and as we have taken t is equal to tan theta, t is equal to tan theta. So here if we will draw right angle triangle, we will take this angle as theta, so this will be t, this will be 1, that is why tan theta is equal to p by b, so t by 1, and this hypotenuse will be 1 plus t square. So we have 1 by 2 into a sin theta will be t by means p by h, 1 by t by 1 plus t square into cos theta is equal to 1 by root under 1 plus t square. Okay, so this is equal to 1 by 2a t divided by 1 plus t square. So 1 plus t square will come in numerator, so 1 plus t square divided by 2at. So this is the answer of differentiation of y with respect to x in question number 1. Now let's solve question number 2. So here question number 2 is if y is equal to sine log x, then we have to prove that x square d2y by dx square plus x dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. So this question was asked in CBSE Examination 2007. So let's solve this question. Okay. So here dy by dx is equal to d sine log x by dx. So differentiation of sine x is equal to cos x. So here differentiation of sine log x will be equal to cos log x. Again applying chain rule, will multiply differentiation of log x. So differentiation of log x will be 1 by x. Okay. So dy by dx is equal to cos log x by x. Okay. Now let's find the value of d2y by dx square. So d2y by dx square will be obtained by differentiating dy by dx one more time. Okay, so this will be equal to differentiation of dy by dx with respect to x. Okay, so differentiation of dy by dx is cos of log x by x with respect to x. So let's apply the formula of differentiation of u by v. Okay, so x, now differentiation of cos log x with respect to x minus cos log x with differentiation of x with respect to x divided by x square. Okay, which is equal to x. Differentiation of cos log x will be minus sine log x, and differentiation of log x will be 1 by x minus cos log x, because differentiation of x with respect to x will be 1. Okay, divided by x square. Let's cancel out x, so we'll have minus sine log x minus cos log x divided by x square. Now let us put the value. Okay, so x square d2y by dx square plus x into dy by dx plus y. So let's put the value. X square, value of d2y by dx square, d2y by dx square is, this is the value, so multiplying this by minus sine of log x minus cos of log x by x square plus x into dy by dx. So value of dy by dx is cos log x by x, cos log x by x plus y. So plus y, value of y is sine of log x, sine of log x. Okay, so here x square will be cancelled out, x will be cancelled out, so we'll have minus sine log x minus cos log x, and here this will be plus cos log x plus this is sin log x. Now minus sin log x and plus sin log x will be cancelled out, minus cos log x and plus cos log x will be cancelled out, and we'll have 0, which is RHS. Here we have to prove this as equal to 0. Okay, so I hope you understood the method. So we'll meet in next video with some other question. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.